Hello, you all. How you guys doing? Welcome to Newsroom Media. This is where we give you hot, fresh, and sizzling news all day long. Now let's go into the headline for today's news. Court martial sentences soldier to death for killing army officer. Before I go out details of today's news, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below. Also like and share my videos. Most importantly, click on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the details of today's news. Court martial sentences soldier to death for killing army officer. The 7th Division General Court Martial, sitting in Maduguri, has sentenced a trooper, Azena Mando Abuchi, to death by firing squad for killing an officer, Lieutenant Babakaka Ngoji. Delivering judgment on Tuesday, the president of a court, Brigadier General Arikbo Ekubu, said the prosecutor has proved its case beyond reasonable doubt that the accused intentionally shot and killed Ngoji, who was the adjutant of 212 Battalion Bama. Ekubo said, "You intentionally opened fire and emptied your magazine of 9 rounds of ammunition on the deceased officer, Lieutenant B.S. Nguji, who was the adjutant of 212 Battalion Bama, which led to his instant death. You betrayed the trust and confidence reposed on you by the Nigerian Army to ensure dignity and respect for human life. Your action is therefore viewed with displeasure and as affront to efforts of a present leadership of Nigerian Army, which emphasize the protection of human rights and professionalism in the discharge of its constitutional roles, while condemning your action of unlawfully killing the deceased officer in a gruesome manner. This court considered the plea in mitigation punishment by your counsel. The General Court Martial takes cognizance of all your counsel has said and the fact that you are involved in the theater of operation. However, the gravity of a crime that you have committed against the innocent officer, which by application is a crime against humanity and an attempt to drag the good name of the Nigerian Army into mud, must be sanctioned appropriately. The General Court Martial for the offense of murder has provided by Section 106 of the Armed Forces Act is death. This sentence is to be carried out by firing squad, he added. Ekubo also convicted 4 soldiers for manslaughter for their involvement in torturing a civilian, one Peter Akpogo, to death over a missing car battery. Based on their nature of involvement in the act, Sani Ishaya, who is the leader of a team, was sentenced to 4 years in imprisonment. Lance Captain Febiyi Bidemi is to serve 2 years, while Adamu Abdurrashid and Musa Bala are to serve 1 year each. The court also sentenced one Muhammad Kuro to 3 years in prison for accidental discharge at a civilian wedding ceremony that killed a 12-year-old boy. One Lieutenant Captain Aja Emmanuel was demoted to private for assaulting a civilian, causing him grievous bodily harm. The court's president, however, said that all the sentences are subject to confirmation by the appropriate superior authority as provided under Section 151, subsection 1B and Section 152, subsection 1B of the Armed Forces Act. Speaking at the end of a sitting, the Borno coordinator of National Human Rights Commission, Mrs. Jumal Mishala, lauded the Nigerian Army for its professionalism and show of respect for human rights. I hope I do not murder all these Muslim names that I've just read, but guys, take it like that. Thank you very much, people, for always listening and watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below. Also like and share my videos. Most importantly, click on the notification notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post. We still have more great news coming your way today. Please stay with us.